Hello viewer, on that surface we will create these shapes. So we will create the further shape, change the pattern and also change the color of the border for the purpose of getting visibility. So we will keep on making these designs. Again we will make a mini size circular shape. Then we will start making the other. Here are the further options we are creating, and there is the other one we will generate. So let's make the further shapes into that. So that's it. Thank you for watching.